Hello everyone, it's Dylan back with another video. In today's video, we'll be discussing things like germs, bacteria, why it's important to wash our hands, and making use of hand sanitizer. So as we all know, germs and bacteria does stay in our hands or any parts of our body, I would say, by getting in contact with things like raw meat, touching metal hard surfaces such as doorknobs, going to the bathroom, or even going outside and playing, so much more. Um, so we do transfer these germs, bacteria to other people if we do not wash our hands or make use of hand sanitizer. So in addition to this video, we are going to be making our own hand sanitizer. So here I do have a store-bought hand sanitizer, and as we all know, it does kill about 99.99% of germs on our hands. And the most active ingredient is ethyl alcohol, which is up to 70%. That's where it's most effective. And the overall use of hand sanitizer is to decrease the bacteria on the skin that could cause diseases or transfer diseases, I would say. So yeah, we'll be moving on to the materials part soon. So here I do have the materials that we'll be using today to make our own hand sanitizer. First and foremost, we'll be needing any type of alcohol that is up to 70%. This is the main active ingredient that does kill the germs and bacteria in our hands. And then the next one, we'll be using aloe vera gel. This basically keeps your hands moisturized. And the next one is optional. We do have a chamomile scented essential oil. This basically helps keep the hand sanitizer smell better, or makes it smell better. And then the next thing we'll have is a measuring cup and a spoon. This is basically used for mixing. And then to hold the hand sanitizer, I do have a travel size bottle here. And the last thing is optional as well. I do have some stickers. This basically is to use to decorate the travel size bottle. So the first step to all this is making sure all your materials are clean and your area is clean as well. So prior to this video, I did sanitize and clean the surface and also make sure the measuring cup and the spoon was clean. So now I'm going to just wash my hands for about 20 seconds with warm water and soap. So as we all know, this is the best way to kill the germs and bacteria in our hands. It's the best way, I would say, and the most proper way. So basically, like I said earlier, you just want to do this for about 20 seconds and get the soap all over your thumbs, because that's the main fingers you do use. And then just all over your hands and your wrist and between your fingers. And just rinse that all off really well. Just like that. Then what you want to do is just grab a clean paper towel and just dry your hands. And then just to be extra careful or extra sanitary during this video, I'll be making use of gloves while I'm making the hand sanitizer. So now we'll get started with our hand sanitizer mixture. So you'll be needing the measuring cup and the alcohol that's up to 70%. So you'll want to pour the alcohol at least, I'm not sorry if it's not a good view, but at least 3/4 cups up to 6 ounces. So what you want to do is just get into like eye surface and just go ahead and pour the alcohol in. Stop. So the alcohol does make up most of the hand sanitizer, as you could see, because it is the main ingredient, as I stated earlier. And then next we'll be using the aloe vera gel. You want to just fill this up to the 1 cup line, so it's about 1/4 cups. Not sure if there's a seal. Okay, I don't think there's a seal. But you just want to go ahead and just squeeze that in to the 1 cup line. It's a little thicker, so you gotta squeeze it. Oh, okay, so yeah. So basically, this is gonna be mostly alcohol, and the rest to the 1 cup, which is 1/4 cup, is gonna be the aloe vera gel. This basically keeps our hands moisturized. So after pouring the alcohol and the aloe vera gel, the next step we're gonna do is adding the essential oil. Here I do have a chamomile scented one. So you wanna do about 10 drops of essential oil to make the hand sanitizer smell good. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a little hard to shake, but yeah. So basically this just makes the hand sanitizer smell better. And then the next thing you want to do is just grab your clean spoon and just start mixing it up. So you're gonna want this to be a really good, like, well mixed, I would say, solution. So you just want everything all mixed up together, making sure you break down the aloe vera because it is a little thicker than the alcohol. And then you're just gonna keep stirring around until you get a good consistency where it's more smooth and everything like that. So this could take some time. After a lot of stirring and spilling, you can see that the texture is a little bit more smooth now. Yeah, and the next thing we're going to be grabbing is our travel size bottle, and we're going to just pour that in. And then now that the mixture is all mixed up and everything like that, we'll grab our travel size bottle, and then we're just going to slowly pour the mixture into the bottle. Just be a little careful because it might be a little thick. Just like that. Slowly take your time. Just fill the bottle up. Close it after. Then just go ahead and grab a paper towel if you did spill a little bit, just like me. Just wipe it and make sure to shake it up a little bit for that extra. Okay, and just like that, you do have your hand sanitizer. And then the last step to this is basically decorating our little travel size hand sanitizer with our stickers that we do have. Like I said, this is optional, but it's just to make the little bottle look better. So you could just go ahead and grab some stickers, just put it on the bottle, however you would like, as much stickers as you would like. This is your little project, so you could go ahead and just decorate that. Something just like this maybe. And then that's what I'm gonna put, maybe one more. So basically here I have my little travel size hand sanitizer. That's the finished product. Before I conclude this video, I just want to give some extra tips about the hand sanitizer. So basically this does last about 1 week only. So after the 1 week is up, just go ahead and toss it, clean the bottle, and make a new mixture if you do have extra materials. And then other than that, I have been seeing people wear gloves out in public and grabbing hand sanitizer and sanitizing their gloves. You should not do that because gloves are a one-time use type of material or protective gear. So what you want to do is after going shopping or anything like that with the gloves, you just want to go ahead and take them off, dispose them properly into the trash can. And the last thing I want to say is to properly make use of hand sanitizer is also washing your hands for those 20 seconds and then dry your hands, obviously, then making use of your hand sanitizer for the extra protective over your hands. And yeah, I hope you do consider all these tips because protect yourself from germs. Okay, so this does conclude the video now. So once again, the main ingredients you do need for your hand sanitizer are alcohol up to 70%, the aloe vera gel and the essential oil, and of course the travel size bottle to hold the mixture together. And now that I'm done with everything, I just want to go ahead, just clean the surface that I did use with some cleaning or disinfectant spray and just wipe it down properly. Then I'm gonna do the dishes and everything just like that. But yeah, so I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.